Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the screen lock on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to do that, first we need to head to the settings. In the settings we need to go down and choose lock screen and AOD, and over here we can switch go to screen lock type. Here we can set up the screen lock. You can set it to the pin code, we can set up the password, we can draw the pattern, we can set the swipe, as well as we can just simply disable the lock screen method by selecting none. In addition to those, we also have biometrics like face recognition and fingerprint sensor. So in order to choose the screen lock type, we need to simply select the one that we want to have. So let's say I want to choose the pattern. Now of course we need to draw the pattern, and then we can press continue. Of course we need to draw it twice, and then let's confirm, and there we go. Now we will see the lock screen notification settings, and we can also just press done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.